In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix TextNow keeps saying an error has occurred app bug fix. TextNow relies on Wi-Fi or mobile data to make calls and send texts. If your iPhone is having network problems, the app might not work properly. Just follow the steps to fix it. First thing first, open Settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on TextNow. Toggle Mobile Data on. Now, if the issue persists, reset your iPhone's network. Just go to Settings, then General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings, then enter your passcode to confirm. Your iPhone will restart and all saved Wi-Fi, VPN and Bluetooth connections will be erased. After this, reconnect to Wi-Fi or mobile data and relaunch TextNow and see if the problem is fixed.